So, my big two. Good morning, peeps. I'm Brittany enjoy the shower curtain. Wait, get some more light in this damn place. So peeps, I don't have anyone to trim my hair, so definitely I will have to trim it myself. I've trimmed these already. I am using candle. So I can't trim it in the camera for you guys because definitely I don't want to burn myself. So this is like how I'm doing. Like I just use the candle peeps to the shrimp. What do you call it? Shrimp? I don't even know, but like you just it get rid of the excessive hair that is sticking out, and stuff like that. So light it back for them, please. My daughter about she want help me. Oh shit, lock the window. My daughter about she want help me. Like she mad. Lock the window. I said not the curtain. But she want help me like say she think me mad or me born yesterday. I mean I no sense. Fishy come burn me up. I burn off my precious hair. But she want try. Because I said go practice pan fair one first. I practice now on the lid. But people I'm doing it myself and I'm so scared. Because I don't do it in my own ear. I definitely do this. When I'm doing when I do bob braid for people, and when you're gonna bob the ear, I definitely use the candle to cut it and tighten the end, close the end, keep the end together. I definitely use the candle, and I also use the candle to trim it also. So like peeps, I'm so scared. But this is what it is. Like I'm looking in the mirror and stuff like that. I'm so hot. I'm always crying that I'm hot, but peeps, it's so hot here in Old Harbour, Jamaica. It's so hot. It's like I need a fan or AC over me every time I walk. I wish I had like a fan in every room, like 2 fans in the living room, 2 in the bathroom, 2 in each bedroom, and stuff like that, peeps. It's hot. Or a AC. And a AC. Them house, you have to have AC for living in them house. You have to have money for living in them house. You have to rich people can't live in them places to maintain them, because like I'm burning up. As they like me, I burn up. So sometimes some people will ask me, oh, you wake so early. Duh. Because as 5:30 me hot, as 5:30 all hour hot. And when you have fun, because like yes I have fun, peeps. So you'll be like, oh, you have fun, so why you hot? Just going at the fun now. Like you sit down in front of the fan and come like that, and then you get more hot. Like the fan as a push be like hot here, like you take the hot here out of the house and just put it by you. Like that's how I can explain it. I don't know how else. Peeps, it's like I'm hot. I'm always gonna say I'm hot. You know what I'm not really that hot. Oh gosh, like I'm sorry for the people that like the flood, the rain that affected whatever, but definitely I'm missing the rain, peeps. I'm definitely missing the rain. I swear I'm missing the rain because gosh, it was so cool. I was definitely, peeps, I was loving that climate. I was. But anyways, peeps, I can't focus on the camera while doing this. So, and I'm burning up. So I'll get back to you guys when I finish and hot water. So see you guys in a bit. Peeps, while I was trimming my hair, I started to cook. So definitely this is steamed veg, steamed callaloo. Yep. This is the water that I'm having boiled to hot water my hair, because I finished trimming it, but I haven't hot water it as yet. And definitely, yeah, peeps, boiled dumpling and banana. So for all who don't know what is the thing around it, that's how it is when you're boiling banana. I guess maybe it is the stain or something. I don't know, but I'll get back to you, peeps, when I hot water my hair and gonna have breakfast. I will get back to you, peeps. So peeps, it's hot water now. I've hot watered a while, but when I hot water here that I do for myself or for people,
this is what I don't do. I went to a salon, a hair salon already, and saw the lady hot water my hair, and then she used a towel and she hold the hair like this and she squeeze it and she pull upon it and I dry it to squeeze out the excessive water. That's not how you do it. When you hot water the hair and you use a towel and do like this and then you squeeze it and you pull on it, you're gonna allow the hair to become back dry and trashy, and then by the next day your hair ends will definitely be looking trashy. You understand? So you don't do that. You just, all they had to do was just to pat it, like give it a little squeeze, and then put the towel, let you sit back and let the hair definitely hair dry. I mean, this here is nappy, so it doesn't take hot water like how the Calicolan would have take the hot water, the Expression or other braids would take the hot water. Definitely, nappy don't take hot water that well, but definitely it looks okay. It looks okay, yeah, peeps. And while using the candle to trim it, I end up like cut the end off one, like just like the end. So I had to like piecing it back and stuff like that. Peeps, I'm sweating. I'm always sweating being right here and stuff like that. But this is how it is. This is how it is, peeps. This is how it is. Definitely. This is how it is. Sure. I don't like my hair like this. I rather it like this. Like my face, I have a round face. People that say your face broad like pudding pan, well, that's definitely my face. It broad like pudding pan, peeps. So I hope you guys like. So please comment below, peeps, and let me think if you think I did a good job, if you like the color and how the finishing touch is. Oli Trey, please can you open the front door for me, please, for mommy. Son, please. Oh, sweet boy, love you. Peeps, I'm sweating. Anyways, peeps, this is my breakfast. Hope you guys can see. And definitely, I love Kalaloo. I love Kalaloo, but I hate stripping it. I love it, but I hate stripping it, peeps. Like, I hate stripping Kalaloo, but I love Kalaloo. Come. I really want to mind the camera drop down, so Sydney is sharing the kids dinner. The kids breakfast, sorry. Brittany, Olivia, come for no breakfast. Peeps, I mean I love like a breakfast like boil. I like fry like things you fry in the morning for breakfast, but I like boiled yam, boiled dumpling, boiled banana with like curry chicken and stuff like that. I'm gonna comb their hair today, peeps. I don't know if I'm gonna make I don't know if I'm gonna make a video of that, but I'm definitely gonna comb their hair today for school tomorrow. You want pee-pee? I'm tired to eat. I'm tired to eat because I don't want to eat this. I want snacks and juice and Lasco. Be a Lasco. That he wants. If you eat food. If I might drop my shake up the table and the camera drop. Anyway, peeps, please remember, peeps, to like this video, give it a thumbs up, definitely comment and subscribe. There was something that I want to say to you guys, but I can't remember now. I don't know what it is. But anyways, big up to my subscribers. As again, peeps, thank you for subscribing to my channel. You know, I mean, it's not that late, but yet you guys still support me by subscribing or liking my videos. This damn fly, what? Everything me I hit you on, you know. Sure, might damn you too. I'm just kidding. So peeps, thanks peeps. So you guys know yourself, my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, because I mean, you know, I really appreciate it. You know, without you guys, this is not possible at all, because I can't subscribe to myself. That definitely, you know, I might think they are rude. You know, it really depend on family and them kind of thing like that. If you say per se support my thing they are rude. So I'm depending on you guys out there wherever you are in the world. So definitely please support me, peeps. And if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. You know, there's so much in store. You know, as I already promised you guys, there's so much coming up and stuff like that. I don't want to make this video too long, peeps, so definitely this is where I end it. I don't know, but I know I had something to say to you guys, but no, I just can't remember. Like, I don't know. But anyways, peeps, I'm gonna go and enjoy my breakfast. You know, dumpling, banana, and callaloo. So see you guys in a bit, or I don't know if I'm gonna get back to you guys. I don't know, but I'm going on the road shortly. Yes. I don't know, peeps. But anyways, have a productive day. Have a good night, whatever time you're watching this video, peeps. Love you guys. Bye bye.